Hiya, my name's Jack and I work for Minibus Lite. Today I'm going to show you how to use our fully compliant full width wheelchair ramp. As you can see, when not in use, it's stored behind the right hand side of the seats and comes with a nice wheelchair ramp cover. When wanting to use the ramp, pull it out to the centre of the vehicle using the tracking system on the floor and remove the cover. First thing we need to do is unclip at both sides. Using both handles on this side, just lightly pull the ramp out. As you can see, it's nice and light. So halfway out, just put the feet down so it comes down nice and smoothly, and just lower it to the floor. Next stage is just to clip the final two clips off, either side of the ramp again, one here and one here. Using the handle again, lightly lower the final part of the ramp to this its floor. To store the ramp away, we just do it the same but in reverse. So first stage, just lift this one up nice and lightly, using the handle again, lower it down to here and clip it on either side just to secure the ramp in place. Final bit, just grab the handles, lift the ramp up. When halfway up, just adjust the feet so they don't get in the way. Once up in an upright position, just make sure you clip either side so it doesn't move. Carefully push this behind the rear seats and tighten up here. That will stay there now when you drive off.